Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into National Bank of Canada account. First of all, launch the National Bank of Canada banking application on your device. Here, your sign-in page has been opened. Now you just have to fill out this form to log into your account. First of all, enter your email address. Then, enter your password. If you do not remember your password, then you can simply tap on Forget Your Password option available there. If you want your device to remember you, then simply toggle on Remember Me button available there. If you want to log into your business account, then simply tap on I have a business account option right there. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, you just have to tap on Sign In button to log into your account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.